Hello, this is Jason Bankston and Ryan Cummings for Program 4, Data Control Plane number 3. So, we have here, I've just pulled up the curriculum, or the problems that we need to solve. So number 6, the current router implementation supports very simple topology. Configure simulation.py reflect the following topology. So I've got simulation.py pulled up here so that we can kind of show that we implemented. First of all, we kind of increased simulation time, just give it a little more time to process everything. We've got all our new routers, so we've got, so we have our old ones, so we have router A, router B, of course. We have router C, and we have router D. Introduced to this, similar to this topology, we've got A, B, D, C, host 2, host 1. You can see that router A is hooked to host 1, router B, and router C. So host 1, router C, router B. Bam, bam, bam. Router B is linked to RD and RA. So router B, RA, router D. RC is RA and RD. And our router D is H2, host 2, router B, and router C. So that should all be in order. We also added all the links here. So we've got our host 2 to router D, router A to router C to router D, and adjusted all of those. And we do have the connectivity should be reflective of what we have up here in these when we set them up. So that should all be in order. And we still have our messages being sent. So H2 message from H1 message from H2. Okay, not a lot has changed other than network, other than we have, sorry, this is absolutely gigantic, find it. I had to adjust some of the tables, the print tables, to obviously fit these new routers and everything else, so we have these new interfaces all set up. And we have RC and RD now implemented as well for our pretty tables, and of course this is all accounting for that. So they've all been introduced. Let's go ahead and run it, and this one does take a minute. Okay, here we are. As you can see, we kind of initialize our routing tables and we start building them up as in the first two, and just with all these new routers and everything else, of course. All these links are starting up properly and connecting. And actually, I guess we can go a little further down. So ready, sending out these updates. As you can see, it's going through. Lots of updates. Okay, here we go. Here we have our messages now, because as it talks about, so we just link costs, forwarding packets between hosts and 2 different paths, make sure they have the one routing tables and the value decisions made by the others, and this code. Yeah, so here we have most of the message transmissions. So H10 to RA0, and then we go from H10 RA0. Yeah, sorry, this is 1. H20 to RD1. So that's just like the first leg of the journey. RB1, so to RD0, direction RD0 to RB1. Should be right, yep, so RD1, RD0, so they're going different paths here. RA3, RC0, direction RA3 to RC0. And then RC1, RD2, direction RC1 to RD2. All that should, RD1. So you can see that it's actually traversing this topology in a different route here. Anyways, I guess that's pretty much it for this one. So thanks for watching.